This is a flash flood. New River, Arizona. It is the 2nd of August. We had some rain earlier, and here comes the flash flood. So this is Rodgers Creek. It's down below my house, and as you can see, the water is making its way over or down from the normally dry riverbed. It's not raining. It hasn't rained here in well over an hour, maybe 2 hours, and here comes the water. You can hear it. It's gotten not super loud, but kind of loud. More and more water flowing down. It's like a mini tsunami.